it's me Joshua again, and welcome to a new video with a surprise. So I'm about to show you the new surprise in this
Here's
video.
a surprise! No, wait. How can this be a surprise? No. Here's a surprise! Wait, no, that can't be it. Here's a surprise. No. This is a surprise. That's right. A new fire alarm board. Fire alarm demo board. With all my alarms on here. All the wiring's in the back. Here I have that, there. But what matters is this right now. So I don't have a sync module for this, so I'm gonna have to code it myself. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And that was it for today. Thank you for watching.